Home insurance. About your policy. An insurance policy is a legal document and is evidence of a contract of insurance. This Together Mutual Insurance home insurance policy is underwritten by UIA Insurance Limited and is in 3 essential parts: the policy booklet, the policy schedule, and the statement of facts or original proposal form. 2. Please read the policy booklet and schedule together. The policy booklet sets out the normal basis on which we provide the insurance. 3. The schedule makes the policy unique to you and sets out the details of what and who is insured. Any variations in the insurance are shown on the schedule. 4. Keep all your insurance documents in a safe place. Whenever you receive a new schedule or there is a policy amendment, keep the new document with the policy. You do not need to keep old schedules. 5. Please ensure that the policy meets your requirements. Should you have any queries, please telephone one of our customer advisors, who will be pleased to assist you. 6. You are entitled to receive a copy of the information we hold about you for a small fee. If you have any questions or you'd like to find out more about this notice, you can write to the Data Protection Officer at Together Mutual Insurance, Kings Court, Stevenage, Hertfordshire, SG1 2TP, or telephone 01438 761 670. In addition, we recommend that you retain items such as receipts, valuations, photographs and instruction booklets and guarantee cards for all major purchases in order to assist you in proving any loss. If you decide that you do not wish to accept this policy, please return it within 14 days of receipt and, provided that no claims have been made, we will refund the premium. How to amend or check your policy. Policy helpline 01438 761 670. Helpline is open 8:30am to 6pm, Monday to Friday. Questions about your policy. Your policy schedule shows the cover, Classic, Premier or Premier Plus, that you have chosen. Please check that you have the cover you require. Should you have any questions about your policy or your payments, please call one of our customer advisors on our policy helpline. Changes to your policy. If you wish to make a change to your insurance, please call one of our customer advisors on the policy helpline. Important notice. We have issued this policy using information you have given or which has been provided on your behalf. Please make sure you tell us if any circumstances change which may affect this insurance. For example, changing your address, leaving the home unoccupied for periods longer than 60 days, changing your occupation, extending or altering your property or having building work done on your home which is more than routine repair, maintenance or decoration, increasing the number of bedrooms, if your home is to become let out to tenants or shared with lodgers, if you or any member of your family is convicted of any criminal offence or has any prosecution pending for any offence, except for motoring offences or any offences which have spent under the Rehabilitation of Offenders Act 1974. You use your home in any way for business or professional purposes. If you are in any doubt as to whether the change may affect this policy, please tell us, as failure to do so could affect the validity of your insurance. Whilst your policy provides cover for a wide range of insured events, it does not provide cover for the general maintenance or wear and tear of your property. Cover is provided for unforeseen events, for example, fire, storm and flood damage. But it is not a maintenance contract or service policy and therefore does not cover the general upkeep or repair of your property. Contract of insurance. You, the insured, have entered into a contract with us, Together Mutual Insurance, underwritten by UIA Insurance Limited, Kings Court, London Road, Stevenage, SG1 2TP. This policy is evidence of that contract. The information provided by you, either orally as detailed in this statement of facts or written as detailed in a proposal form, forms the basis of that contract. We will insure you for those sections shown in the schedule, in accordance with the terms of the policy, against loss, damage or legal liability which occurs during any period of insurance for which you have paid or agreed to pay and we have accepted or agreed to accept the premium. The policy and schedule of any endorsements should be read together as a single document. Any word or expression that has a particular meaning has the same meaning wherever it appears throughout the policy. Signed, John Craven, CEO. Law applicable to the contract. We, the insurer, and you, the policyholder, can choose the law applicable to the contract. We've decided that it's appropriate that the law applicable to our contract is the law of the country where you are usually resident, where this is within the United Kingdom, Channel Islands or Isle of Man. Otherwise, English law will apply. Conditions which apply to Section A, B and C of the policy. Buildings, contents and personal possessions away from the home. 1. We will not pay any claim unless you and your family comply with the policy terms, endorsements and warranties at all times. 2. You and your family must take all reasonable precautions to prevent loss, damage or accidents and to mitigate any loss or damage which does occur. 3. You must keep the buildings, contents and all other property which is insured by this policy in good repair. 4. You may cancel this policy at any time by contacting us either by telephone on 01438 761 670 or in writing to Customer Relationship Manager, Together Mutual Insurance, King's Court, London Road, Stevenage, SG1 2TP. If you wish to cancel the policy within the first 14 days of the period of insurance, we will refund the premium you have paid to us in full, and we will treat the insurance as null and void. If you wish to cancel the policy after the first 14 days of the period of insurance, then if a claim is made, then no refund of premium will be due. So long as you have made no claims in the period and have not said that you are going to claim during the period of insurance, we will return your premium for that part of the period of insurance that is left. If a claim is made, then no refund of premium will be due. 5. We may cancel this policy at any time by writing to you 7 days beforehand at your last known address. We may refund part of your premium in the same way as number 4 above. 6. If you pay premiums for this policy by monthly direct debit from your bank account and we do not receive a monthly premium payment when it is due, we will resubmit the unpaid premium for your payment. Should the premium remain unpaid after the second application, we will cancel the direct debit and write to you requesting full payment of the remaining premium within 10 days. Should the full premium not be paid within 10 days of the written notice of non-payment, the policy will be cancelled immediately upon expiry of such notice. If you're paying your premium by instalments and we pay or agree to pay a claim under the policy, then you must pay the premium outstanding up to the end of the period of insurance. Provided that the policy remains in force, instalments can be collected in the normal way. If the policy is cancelled prior to the end of the period of insurance and a claim has been paid or agreed to be paid, then the full balance of the premium due up to the end of the period of insurance must be paid. If it is not, we can deduct the amount you owe us from any claim we pay. 7. You must tell us of any changes in your circumstances that could affect this insurance. See the important notice on page 4 for some examples of changes that we need to be made aware of. 8. If there are 2 or more policyholders named on the policy, any individual policyholder can amend the policy or make a claim. Should you wish to remove a policyholder from the policy, we will require confirmation of this from the policyholder, or confirmation in writing from the executors of that policyholder if he or she is deceased. If the policy is to be cancelled, we will require confirmation of this from all the named policyholders. 9. Non-disclosure and misrepresentation. If you have not told us about or misrepresented any facts or circumstances relating to any of the questions we have asked you when the policy was first taken out or at any subsequent occasion, we may refuse to pay a claim, or we can treat this insurance as though it had never existed. 10. Surveys for our mutual benefit. We retain the right to survey the buildings and contents during the period of insurance at our cost. If we wish to do so, we will advise you of this in writing, and we or our representatives will contact you to arrange a mutually convenient appointment.